Of course, this marks the second day of a trial excursion in Buhle S07E lakangwane lapho khona tivakashi tetfu tifuna kufunza kabanti ngemlandvo welive lakangwane. Of course, our culture is rich njengoba nawe utivele indvuna yato tekuvakashwa ayilibeka itolo. So namuhla sicala la endzaweni ya King Sobhuza Memorial kanye nasemsamo lapho khona bafundza ngemlandvo welive lakangwane. Sitawuchubeka situngelete lona live sibone buhle balo kanye nato tivakashi lesinato. Join me as we still learn more about the history of Eswatini.
Our monarch or royal family originally came from. They originally came from the east, and that is why we call them Emalangeni, or people from the sun. And whenever they're dressed in their traditional regalia, they put on the red turako feathers to signify the sun's rays or to signify that they're the people from the sun. Why do we have the king and the queen ruling together? In the Siswati culture, the king rules, the queen mother reigns.
Yes.
And then also, traditionally, it is for the purpose of balance of power.
Welcome to Eswatini. Welcome to Malala's lifestyle. You've seen a little bit of what we've got to offer, but we have more. We are also food, we're shopping, we're accommodation, we're performance, as you've seen, we're lifestyle, we're short tours, and we're also architecturally interesting. And we have a lot of people coming to see what we consider one of the world's best heritage sites. Kind of as far as you can see is a running and operational farm where you can do the kind of walking tours. But otherwise, this is the home. This is where it all happens. This is where we manage to attract international tourists from all around the world to come watch bushfire. So we encourage you all to come if you haven't been before. This is also the grounds of the restaurant. We're going to take up there now.
for these artists here who are making different shapes, say for instance this one here, on Filipina, he's making this type of canvas, and then this guy here is making the round ones. That is going to be a giraffe, and here we've got a rhino, and there we've got an elephant. So they make different shapes every day.
Sesisukile King Sobhuza Memorial lapho khona ivakashi tethu titholela ithuba ukuthi tifunze kabanti ngawo umlandvo wemakhosi elivela kangwane. Sitholela ithuba ukuthi sengce emalandelers was our next stop, because we had to showcase indzawo levame kukhanga incumbi yebantu ikakhulukati ngayo imikhosi lethile lesibanawo or festivals that we usually have, like Luchu Festival and Bushfire. Of course, Malandelas was our second stop, and after that we got a chance to visit Swazi Candles lokuyindzawo lekhicita emakhandlela lahlukahlukile. And of course, tivakashi tethu tibonakele kuyindzawo letitfokotelako. Our next stop is Mlilwane Game Reserve lokuyindzawo legcine naleyo ngeyona imvelo yelive ase. Sibone mbukeli ukuthi masiya eMlilwane what our guests going to enjoy.
So zebras have a unique stripes like our fingerprint. Each zebra, they have their own stripe. So during winter time, the crocodiles, they don't eat much. They do eat, but not much. They eat much during summertime. When they eat, they contain 40% of fat on the tail. So the 40% of fat, they use it during hibernation time.
Your visit to the city's partners has inspired us and encouraged us to further work harder on our tourism program initiatives to support our local businesses and revive the city economy beyond the COVID-19 virus impact in the city. The tourism sector is a key strategic pillar in our NED strategy to stimulate economic growth, create employment opportunities and entrepreneurship opportunities in the city.
Lisiko lemntwana wefambatana, we call it girl child, whereby all girls come together to join to give honor to their majesties, the king and the queen. What is to promote umhlanga. I would love to urge all girl child neighboring countries to come and witness this colorful event.
That's the experience that we have had. Congolese Bonile is quite impressive. Things that a person from a distance would not really agree if you were to tell them what is it that they can find in Swaziland. So we are happy. I'm very much happy to be here now, right here and now, because what we are doing now, we are talking township tourism. And I think that's the right direction. We must just now this tourism to transform and develop our people. We must prioritize township tourism. So I'm very much happy because this, maybe many people don't realize what it means. This means more people are going to be able to put bread on their tables. That's what it means. If you go to the townships, you are literally putting bread in every household. So I think that is why we must prioritize tourism. We must appreciate establishments like these ones. And we must be able to educate our people to also understand how they need to support their own local products. We want to appreciate the opportunity that we have offered to us. Nokusiphatha kahle nje ngoba vele thina ke saziwa ukuthi la ekhaya uma singane sisiqalekile sifuna ukubuya sizo reconnecta with our roots sizalana. So the spirit of ubuntu we have experienced it. Siphatheke kahle ngicabanga ukuthi noma sihamba we will go with that. Ukuthi ekhaya kangwani ku right, and indeed we will be your ambassadors as well. Because if you grow, it means we grow as well. So we are going to be your ambassadors because we have a good experience, and we are sure that when we send our people to come, bazofike baphatheke kahle ngoba nathi siphatheke kahle.
After experiencing nature at its best, Mbugeli, Manzini was our next stop, and of course the exchange Shisanyama enzaweni yaka Manzini ngulapho sifike sangcebeleka khona, hosted by the Municipal Council of Manzini. Kanti lokufika kwaba kunengi lokube kuhle kulenzawo ukuthi masingavakashela tindzawo leti lapho sikhona khona ikakhulukati what we know as township tourism kungaba kunyendi lokungashinja etindzaweni tetfu, which gives an increase to economic growth khona la eveni la Kangwane nakunalamanye emave la ingcenye yalena trial excursion. Namambala Mbukeli nawe uyadibonela ukuthi kunengi longakufunza mawulapha edolobheni la kaManzini. Kanti indzawo yethu lelandzelako koMbukeli idolobha laseMbabane lapho khona tivakashi tetfu tawutfola lithuba ukuthi tifunze kancanyana ngemlandvo walolu idolobha leMbabane, kanti sizophindze futhi sibe nelithuba lokuthi kube ne-networking session endzaweni yase-Hilton Hotel.
I warmly welcome you here and appreciate for having taken the time to come here and showcase what it is we are all about. I'm including myself in the work that you're doing. It's quite an honor to have 3 countries coming up together to share skills, share knowledge, see each other face to face without masks. And now we are seeing the real deal. I'm told here you are actually doing some kind of bargaining. And I said to the CEO, it's actually gaming. You know what gaming is? Gambling. Taking risks. Believing in what you are all about. Being confident that what you will say, somebody else will listen. Somebody will buy into the product. Somebody will be interested to experience whatever is there.
Sanibonani, igama lami ngiqolile Nkabinde. I am the Media Liaison Officer in the Office of the MEC for Finance, Economic Development and Tourism in Mpumalanga. Honorable Amy Simkhachwa. I am part of the delegation from Mpumalanga. We are here for the Triland experience, which is set to start off here in Eswatini for the past 2 days. From here, we will be traveling to Mozambique. From Mozambique, we'll be going back to Mpumalanga. So basically, it's about domestic tourism. It's about traveling between the three countries. It's about exploring our beautiful 3 countries. What a rich culture. What amazing people, what an amazing country. I love it, I love the people, I love the vibe. It feels homey, like it's home, it feels home. I love the mountains, I love the experience. I definitely do want to come back for more because I feel like the 2 days was not enough for me.
We're at Hilton Garden Inn, where we have the speed marketing session going on inside, where we have tour operators from different countries bala eHilton batovakashela tona tindzawo letahlukahlukene letikhangisa ngawo ema-establishments noma emahhotela lesinawo lapha eveni lakangwane, so that they're able to package whatever and take it back home. Kanzi Mbukeli, unfortunately this marks the end of the Swazi leg of the Triland excursion. Kanzi kuphela kwayo nje akusho ukuthi Triland yona seyiphelile njengoba eveni lelitako sibe sikulethele yona eMozambique, and the other week we are bringing Mpumalanga. Kanzi ke kwanamhla Mbukeli sesifike khona emaphethelo nehlelo lakho lelithi Buhle Betfu. Siyakuthembisa ukuthi sitaqhubeka nayo imvokodo nasevekini lelilandzelako kwanyalo. Angufisela kona kubukela lokuhle nekuthokoza lokuhle etinhlelweni takho letilandzelako. Sale kahle.